everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and welcome back to another LEGO video. Today, we are going to be looking at a set number 75890 from LEGO Speed Champions, and it was released in 2019. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, this set comes with one minifigure, and that is this racing driver. I should say a sort of guy in a racing suit sort of minifigure. So first of all, this whole setup is supposed to be like an old-fashioned retro racing suit. So we've got a red sleeve on this side with a white sleeve on this side as well. We've got a red helmet with a clear opening visor. We can take that off to have a look at closer up the face. We've got some plain white trousers, and over here on the front of the torso we have the necessities of course the velcro strip going up the top and the going around the neck here as well. We have the Ferrari logo on this red and white striping over here. We also have some light grey gloves as well, nice little touch, and the face over here is a face with some beard stubble going around the sides and across the moustache and stuff, and these eyebrows slanted as well. And looking around the back, we have a little bit of red detail along the back of the torso as well. So the main part of this set, the car, is a Ferrari F40. It is nicknamed Competizione because it's a little bit more than the F40. This is a Speed Champions car, so quite a multi-dimensional build made to look like the original. I can show you a little picture of the original up on the screen over here, hopefully. So first of all, it's a Ferrari signature color red with some black accents around here as well. A dark tinted windscreen here at the cockpit that opens up to reveal the one seat on the inside. We're going to go through this a bit slowly. Of course, there is a little bit of multi-dimensional build. I won't bore you over with all the details, but first of all, let's have a look at the front. So looking first of all at the front, we have this tile over here, this sort of bumper setup with these tiles going around here. This is a rather complicated build. I'll try not to bore you to death with this, but first of all, we have the sticker over here, which is, suppose, the front vents, and we also have here, placed upside down, this rounded wedge piece. This is supposed to be a sort of ground style wing, I believe, something like that. We have these clear headlights at the front and these cheese slopes to make the stubby little nose. One of the cheese slopes has the Ferrari logo on that. That is a sticker. Moving up onto the top over here, we have the bonnet, which has some more stickers there. I'll go into the bonnet later on. But first of all, looking around here at the side, it is quite low to the ground. I don't think it's higher than at least 3 bricks or something like that. We have these Speed Champions wheels with these wheel covers as well. Talk a little bit more about that later on as well. And we also have these large red Speed Champions wheel rims as well. We have plenty of stud space on the top over here, and without the stickers, this car looks like a preferably negotiable street car. I can give you a little bit of footage that I managed to catch while it still didn't have any stickers on it. Works perfectly fine on its own. Also, speaking of the stickers, I might as well just cover them right now that you don't have to stick all the stickers on. Well, I didn't stick all the stickers on. I did leave some of the rear sections out. Of course, that's my personal preference. Like, I did enjoy customizing this car down to my own specifications. Okay, so moving on, we have the side over here, which has some more multi-dimensional build. We've got these pieces over here at the bottom, these half tiles, just to round things off a little bit. This bit over here, oh god, great, I'm just taking the car apart to give it a little bit more scientific breakdown, give it a little bit more scientific breakdown. This is on its side. This one's facing up from the side, and this one's upside down. So, yeah, a lot of attention to detail has gone into this. Wait, How am I going to fit this back in again? Oh, there we go. So, anyways, we have a sticker over here. I suppose this is a sort of air induct. We also have similar stickers going on the top over here as well. And we also have the air vent sort of style here as well, using these slanted grill pieces. God, this build is really something complicated for me. But we have a little detail over here above the wheel rim. This is a 1x1 base plate, but with a print on the side of it. This is a teeny tiny Ferrari logo over there. I don't know if you can see that, but it is a really nice touch. I found this completely by accident. I was like sticking things on the first time round, and I was like, hang on a second, there's a Ferrari logo hidden over here. By the way, that's also replicated on the other side as well. I won't be able to go over all of the details in this. This is a rather thing that you need to look to see for yourself how this is built. But anyway, let's move on to the seating. So first of all, we have this regular dark tinted windscreen with this base plate, this sort of minifigure stand base plate used for a roof. Let's put that aside to have a look at the seating area. So there's not much to the seating area apart from the steering wheel and the slope over here, but we do get a little grey tile over here placed as a little headrest when you stick the minifigure in. They are resting their head at the back over here. And we have these 3 long panel pieces here as well, done in dark grey. And the seating is right at the floor of the base, so looking looking down below the base over here, we have this base over here, this small little car-specific base, which is where our minifigure is sitting very, very low down. Now over here at the back we have the rear window, so these translucent black tiles to replicate this front window as well. Now over here there would be some stickers as well, some more car specific stickers, just I didn't stick them on. And over here at the back, whoops, sorry there, over here at the back we have the tail wing, the spoiler or something like that, which we can remove to see the tile, which I didn't decorate either. And now that we've got to the back over here, let's discuss about the back. So first of all, we have this sticker over here on this modified tile. It says F40 right over there. And we have some little round tiles as indications. So first of all, some brake lights and some indicator lights as well. And round the back over here, we have a nice little design with these cheese slopes going down here, made upside down to just cover a little bit of the rim space as well. And over here we have the muffler. I suppose this would be a muffler on top of the exhaust to make it sound a bit more loud and proud. This is a little bit tricky to cover everything, so I'm just going to give you a little 360 over here for you to notice any details that I might have missed out. But first of all, we need to listen to the fact of the day. So, Johnny, what have you got for us today? So the fact of the day is the F40 Competizione was made to be more powerful than the original F40 due to an importer who wanted to enter the car into the 24-hour Le Mans. Now, this has a little bit of level of customization, a little bit of modularity. So first of all, is with the bonnet. So you can lift the bonnet out like this, and where these little sloping pieces have stickers on them, we get another bonnet in this more regular looking bonnet, which kind of has those air ducts that we see over here on the sides and the back as well. And you can put this bonnet in like so. You can put that aside and stick the roof back on. Oh, you know what? Let's stick our driver in now. Hold on a sec. Stick him in there. Stick the roof. Okay, there we go. It's looking a bit more natural now. As well, this little underwing over here, they advertise that you can take this off to be a little bit less sporty, or rather the other way around. It starts off like this, and then you can stick this underneath here, and it becomes a little bit more sporty. But anyway, we can take that off over there. Continuing on the front, these headlights, we can take them off, and we get these other cheese slopes over here, these dark tinted ones over here. By the way, these are not spares. These are actual extra pieces that we get to customize our little Ferrari over here. I'm breaking down. Breakdown, breakdown, breakdown. So I suppose these would be the original headlights, and those white headlights were to give a little bit more visibility when you're actually racing. Now, moving on to the back over here, we have this little black tile, which was used for the wing or spoiler. We get a red alternate version, so we can stick that over there. Now it's the red alternate version. And one last thing to do brick-wise, we have the back exhaust tube thing, muffler. This is removable. We can just stick this off like that. To have a closer look at it, just like so. Had a look at it. Okay, now we need to put that aside because we get this other muffler as well. Why do I keep calling it a muffler? Anyway, this you can put at the back like this. I think, yeah, we're basically just grading it down to be a more street version, but that was how the instructions told me to make it. Always follow the instructions. And of course, we have the Speed Champion wheels. Now, the good thing about the Speed Champion's wheels is that not only are they large and they're stuck onto these little pins to make them roll smoothly, well, preferably with all four wheels stuck on, these little wheel covers are adjustable. So we do get this spanner over here as an accessory, and it's not just as an accessory, but it also helps take off these wheel covers just like this. So there we have one wheel cover. Now this comes in a pack of 2 different wheel covers. So for instance, you could take this one over here, which has much more spokes into the cover, and we can just select it like that. Now, did I need to cover anything else? Oh yes, we also get a few more of these wheel covers that I haven't opened yet. Okay, right, see you in just a sec. So here we have 2 extra sets of wheel covers, so that makes a total of 4 different wheel covers. Hang on a second. 4 sets of wheel covers. That's these ones, these ones, these ones, and the ones on the wheels of the Ferrari over here. To customize the Ferrari any way you like, and of course, that just stems off a little bit to add your own sort of details. But now, we're at the end of the video. So, that's the end of our video. So, I hope to show you more in the future. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And until next time, happy building!